These wanna be Chinese anyway. Where the fuck's old bitches? They was me now.
Finally home. And it's T-Mobile Tuesday. I went to go. It's French dip sandwich. It's okay. I don't order that. Of course, you got it. They get the pay, which it's kind of sucks that they get the pay, but it's when you purchase a drink, you get the free sandwich. Yeah, so the drink is like $4. So the whole meal went from $15 to $4. Still, but they could do it in sandwich. That's crazy. But it seems like they're just trying to get rid of they sandwich. McAllister's, y'all. McAllister's. So that was very eventful. Yesterday was extra eventful. And yeah. I'm about to get a better tripod. But I do have a tripod. I need to use it. Except for having my hair jiggly and stuff. I don't know why they gave me this. I'm over here just zipping it in this sauce right here. Let me see. I don't know what it is, but I'm dipping it in there, so. I'm gonna eat this, then I gotta drop my daughter off. Because she's going back to Connecticut with her grandfather. So. I'm waiting for the traffic to go down because there's been a lot of traffic going to Virginia Beach. A 30-minute ride will turn to an hour, which is crazy work. When you're driving real fast, it's like 20-something minutes, but no. And then when you get out the tunnel, you're like, so why are we having a traffic? Crazy work. So, yeah. Yeah, Miss, this is the smoke right here. Got chips with it too. So, I mean, it was a good steal. And the cheese bit. So, it was a good steal. I'm gonna get my nails done, y'all. I gotta find me some good press on. I'm allergic to the gel. I'm trying to find a way I could put it on the acrylic nail, like the fake nails, but I can't. I gotta wait maybe a couple of days, let the gel sit in, and then put it on my nails so then I won't be breaking out because it happened again. And I think that's how I have to do. But we're gonna see because I'm gonna try it again. She ain't gonna call me a baby boo. She ain't gonna call me a baby boo. I'm shaking my thighs, but right now I can't sit because I don't got the camera in the right way. I still have my coat because if I take my coat off, she ain't going nowhere. So I'll make sure I keep my coat on. Kevin's having a territorial problem because he rubbed on me about 15 times. Let's go. Rubbing herself on my book bag. Kevin. What's the matter, Mama? Okay. She's rubbing her scent on everything now. I'm sorry. You know how cats are. Don't come up in this house smelling like no other mother. What's wrong with you? See, she's on it again. Kevin, get up. You want to come say hi? Come here. Come here. Fatty. Say hi. This is Kevin. Okay. Give it a heart food. She gets so heavy. But yeah, let me finish eating. If you only knew where I'm at. I'm at work, but I'm in the boiler room hiding. Shh, don't tell nobody. It's cold in here though, which I wish it was warm, because I'll be sitting here all day. But it's what, 9:59, it's about to be 10. I'll probably go out there after and do something. Maybe nothing, I don't know, guys. But she's here. I'm sitting on this little magic ass machine. Cheer. And boiler room. Yeah, y'all. I'm cute today. I'm just gonna be mad that I'm cute today, too. No need to be mad, love. Be happy. You woke up this morning. Definitely late for work. It is 8:55. Again, I mean, my thing is, if you're gonna commit to being late, just commit to it. And I'm committing to it. It's like I woke up early, but something about that. Something about just going on my own time seems better. So I'm just gonna finish this and then go. It's a little warm. It ain't freezing in the morning, so I don't know what jacket to put on, but I'm about to put up my black one. But today is another day, y'all. It's Wednesday. My daughter went back home with her grandfather. Well, Connecticut. So I got all week to myself. I paid most of my bills. Saturday, I'm supposed to go to this place that I got free tickets to. So I might just go, because I ain't had to pay. It's from 8 to 10 on Saturday. I said I'll go Saturday. And y'all, Christmas is literally next week. Like, it don't even feel like Christmas anymore to me. Like, I'm not even gonna hold you. Like, it don't feel like Christmas. My child's grown. And what do I do next? I bought myself something, so that could be a nice little open box or whatever. But my daughter didn't ask for nothing, so like, school tuition is your present. Freak that. School tuition is her present. I mean, I'm just gonna chill, and then it's basically what it is, chilling. As long as my bills paid, that's Merry Christmas, Simone. Your bills are paid. And then New Year's coming. So I'm gonna have to get ready for that. I got an outfit. I've been trying to wear this outfit forever, but I felt like I ain't have no shoes with it. But I have shoes. I got shoes. And then I'm like, where am I gonna go? I probably just chill. I should. Oh, I know what I'm gonna do for New Year's. I know what I'm gonna do for New Year's. I already got a hotel, so I'm gonna be on Virginia Beach. Just know that. So hopefully, I'm gonna get contact with that. I'm gonna get contact with it. What time is it? Oh, it's 8:58, y'all. I gotta go. Once again, it's on. I'm eating breakfast because I ain't really eat. By myself today because the other guy he's not here today. His day off. So I gotta fill up. Oh, my hair is ashy. This is bad. Like, why don't I have lotion and the freaking So I have decided New Year's I'm gonna spend time home, but I'm gonna make it fun. I'm gonna get champagne. I'm gonna get a charcuterie board, and I'm gonna get on a balcony and do something. Because I gotta save it for my birthday, and I'm paying all this other stuff, food tuition. I'm gonna catch up on stuff. That's what I'm doing, catching up on stuff. But I'm trying to stress because I might have to get another job. But so yeah, I'm gonna videotape all this. Because it's content. Let's see. So I went to Hardee's to do the burrito and strawberry milkshake. So that'll keep me full for a couple of hours. And I'm gonna see if I can bring y'all in the bathroom with me. But there's another job for 2 days. The guy reached back at me to me. It's another janitor job. It's only for like 2 days, like Saturday and Sunday night. So I was like, hey, that's cool. So okay, hold on. I'm out here thinking that second's good. I'm high. But yeah, this stuff is really good. I just wanna. I feel like I don't do random stuff. Just do stuff because I be bored, and I just told myself I need to stand still. Like, sitting in the house is not all boring. Like, chill out. Just chill the fuck out. Make some content. You can do that at home. You can do it at work. Do here and there. Tell them a couple stories and stuff. Because I got stories. Go to the gym. I can show that. Cause I'm gonna have a soccer area. I'm gonna try to spruce things up. As a spruce. I'm trying to bump things up. So, 30 days. Starting. We can start now because I don't gotta go to that mechanical bullshit. I mean, they ain't seen me nothing yet because I ain't see it. So. I can start now. And then I have to be the end of today's what, 17. I gotta start January 17th. I'll start December 20th and to the end of January. That's not 30 days, but we're gonna make up for some days if I don't record, basically. So yeah, we're gonna do this. It's called save your money 30-day challenge, or let me just call it save your money home. You can have fun in the house. Digital diary. I'm gonna try to get. I'm gonna do this, y'all. I got this. It's a year of solitude. And look, sit down and let everything just come to me. Relax myself. But yeah.
Better get on your knees and bark like you want it. So I'm in a ladies' locker room. I am just finished cleaning the ladies' bathroom. It's about to be 2 o'clock, so I might just go disappear and do something. See if I can get me some press-on nails. Find some cute ones. Put the gel I said I was going to, and yeah. Oh. It's like I kind of want to do something, but I kind of don't want to do that today. I'm over here thinking about what I just said earlier about staying still, which it's gonna be hard, but I think I can do it. Like not going somewhere for like 2 months till my birthday. I think I could do that. Like chilling. So I'm starting after this Christmas thing. So I gotta turn up. Because New Year's, we gonna turn down and relax and get everything in order. See how it goes, guys. See how it goes. So yeah. Yeah, buddy. What I can talk about? So I bought a camera and I bought a laptop. And I'm gonna take this diary thing very, very serious now. See how it goes. Cause all I could be is myself. Oh my God, I gotta tell y'all a story. I got a story. I'm gonna see if I can tell y'all. I don't know when I should wait to tell the story. I had another story I had to tell y'all. I ain't uploaded yet. Cause it is still a little too fresh, so we'll see. Yeah, it's about to be interesting. Just me, you, and the camera, and my thoughts. Oh, and my thoughts. Ugh. I was thinking today that homeboy that moved, the guy that moved, like, if he was here, like, I think the drama would have got a little bigger. I think so. Like, between me and him, not between me and anybody else. Like, it would have got a little bigger. Like, I probably would have found out too much. It would have been too much. And I'd be like, yeah, I can't do this. Because the way I see these drama, like, things happening now between these guys and these women, it's just like, I don't know how y'all do it. I can't do all that. That's a lot. So I don't like that much drama. I'm not gonna hold you. I'm not a drama type person. Like, my thing is, if you get me, I'm here. Once you get me up here, that's like a big mistake. It's like one of those, you poke the bear and think the bear's not gonna bite. Just because that bear passed by you, let you eat your food, doesn't mean that bear ain't gonna come back. Because you over there freaking teasing it with the food. Like, you supposed to put the food away. No. I don't know if y'all got that metaphor. I don't think that went together, but just know. I said what I said. Let's go see what else I can get into.
Alright, I'm in a car. I just edited one of my stories, a short story for my YouTube. And let's see how that go. I'm trying to get 500 subscribers. Like, as soon as I get to 500, that's when I know, like, alright, people are watching, they really like me. And when I'm getting my views up, man, as soon as I get, like, them up to where they need to be, best believe, like, I'm on a roll. Like, I'll be on a roll. Like, for real. But other than that, today's a chill day. Ain't really much. Same old. I'm here by myself, so all the other janitors, they left. One wasn't here today. One's day off, and then the ones that come in early ain't like they do anything in this office, but they just come in early to drive around all day. So cool, whatever. Don't bother me none. I just go do what I gotta do and go hide. That's what I've been doing. And yeah, I don't know. Let's see what we can do. Made me some popcorn. Went to the store, bought me some butter. But I don't know if this butter's gonna be good. Up here, it warms it up when it does that. It's like a little hot. Let's see if I just pour some on here like that. Blah, 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 blah. Hold on. Alright, so I mix it up in here. Oh, crap. Of course I make a mess. But it don't taste like no butter on it. I think I gotta put a little salt on it. Hold on. I took that wig off quick. Real quick. I can't find my salt for some reason. I don't know where I put my salt. Let me go find my tripod so I can put y'all down. And then I can find my salt probably. So, I was choking on a piece of popcorn for the past 5 minutes. Well, a kernel. Found the salt. I'll be back. I'm back. Eating the rest of this popcorn, of course. I'm playing my game. Fall shelter. And then I'm gonna just be chilling for the rest of the night. I'm off tomorrow, so let's see what we can do tomorrow. Okay. This is every freaking morning. Oh, you empty. Okay, that's why. Where are you? Okay. Stuff, all this stuff.
Stop putting it on the floor. Eat it out the bowl.
It's morning. It's like 6:18 in the morning. I wake up like this every freaking day. I don't like waking up like this every freaking day. Even if on my day off. Today is my day off. I'm just gonna sit here and relax until I figure out what I want to do next. I probably just gonna do some, not a lot, but I'm gonna clean up and organize some of the house. Well, oh, I'm gonna have to edit some of that out, y'all, or block. My nipple was hanging out. I didn't know that. Oh, so what I'm about to do is play the game that I was falling asleep on last night, which is Fallout Shelter. I'm still trying to, I need some water. Actually, I'll make some tea. I'm still trying to figure out this game, the organization of it. It's all about organization. So that's what I gotta do. Lemon and ginger. You put it in your tea, right? Let me show back further. You put it in your tea. This is every morning. Get you some vinegar. Why is the lighting looking crazy? Okay. That's a apple cider vinegar, actually. And after you get that, you put, where's the cayenne pepper? No, I have my cayenne pepper. Where did it go? My stomach hurt. Yeah, so you talking about cayenne pepper. I don't know why. Oh. Look around, Simone. Cayenne pepper. You don't put a teaspoon down there. So I'll be like this. Or like a pinch. I'm guessing that's a pinch. Probably not. Now I gotta cut my ginger. Oh gosh. I'm still a little tired. I'm probably gonna play the game and then lay down. I'll take a nap after. Yeah. Then wake back up and trying to find my cutting board. I don't know where that's at. Okay. I want to get another cut mat.
look. Trying to save some money. Not gonna say shit. Saying like, so everything is so expensive. Ginger. I don't know what's ginger. I'm gonna put a lot. Oh, I can put it in my. Hold on. I have a strainer. Forgot to put my ginger in there. And my lemon.
All right, today is Friday. And it's a nice, actually it's 60 something degrees, but then tomorrow it's gonna be like 40. This that bipolar situation. Oh yeah, I am late to work. Well, I won't say technically. I think I'm gonna be late. I don't even say I'm gonna be late. I'm not late. It's 8:55. I'm not gonna be late. But today I just like realized like I be stressing over stuff that is like the same thing. It be like a reoccurring. I be stressing over the same thing. It's just like, and then like I knew and I know when it's coming. So it's just like, what are you stressing for? You been here before. You know how to get through it. What are you doing? That's basically my life. I stress over the same. It's nothing different, which is strange. Like, I wouldn't say strange. It's nothing different that I stress over. It's the same thing. So why am I stressing over the same thing? Either I fix it. Either I fix it